Morning everybody, I am Rajkumar Pandit from St. Michael School, Raksol. As we know that it is a difficult time due to the causes of coronavirus. It may causes the whole world is suffering from it. However, we are trying to take our online classes. So let's start from the first chapters of science book. Let's continue. The first chapter name is Nutrition in Plants. We go through the introduction. Nutrition means the process of taking food by an organism and its utilization. The body is called nutrition. Let us discuss more further on nutrients. The component of food that are necessary for the body are called nutrients. Example for protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, etc. Dear student, when we are going to talk about the nutrition are mainly two kinds of in plants life. We are especially talk in plants life of nutritions here. So the first is one is autotrophic nutrition. You know, the autotrophic nutrition means here is written in what is written word wise. Auto means self and tropism means feeding. In sense of those plants that make their food and depend for what no one, that is called in sense of autotrophic nutritions, and they supply their foods by themselves. Example for when we are going to talk about all greens are lies in this autotrophic nutritions. But when we are going to talk about heterotrophic nutritions, means the hetero means the others. You know, it means they are depend for others for feedings. Tropism means feeding. No, there is the tropism and tropisms. Both of the meaning is same, but the condition is different. That's why their meaning is what differ. Means heterotroph means those other plants, they cannot make their foods themselves, means in sense of non-green plants. Example for when we are going to talk about the mushrooms, yeast, Misteletoi and many more, etc. We are going to talk about the autotrophs. What is autotrophs? The process or mode of the nutrition where the green plants make foods themselves, and such plants are called autotrophs. Example for all green plants. Next topic is chloroplast. Chloroplast means the cell of the green plants, leaves and young stems of the plants contain numerous of green structures called chloroplast. Note, it is noted that the green plants of leaves and young stems looks like green color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. There is the one word comes chlorophyll. What do you mean by chlorophyll? We are going to talk about it. It is a green pigment that present in the chloroplast. Due to the causes, plants of leaves as well, their young stems looks like as a green colors. Now we are going to talk other topics related with plants. Stomata. Stomata means a breathing organs of the almost green plants, through which such plants exchange their gas themselves. We are going to talk further about the stomata. The first point clear that about further. It is a present in the what leaves as well young stems of the plants. Now the second point tell about the stomata. It is surrounded by the guard cells. Let us we discuss about photosynthesis. Meaning, photo means light as well. Synthesis means combination of components of chemicals as well lights. Definition. When we are going to talk about the definition of the photosynthesis, the process of the making of food in green plants with combination of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Note, it is noted that the food which is green colored plants is called starch. Chemicals balance equation of photosynthesis is done in green plants life, which are written as given below. CO2 plus 6H2O arrows chlorophyll in presence of sunlight C6H12O6 plus 6O2, whereas CO2 represent means equal to carbon dioxide, and next H2O means the water, and C6H12O6 is equal to glucose. It means that is the starch. Now the next one is what? O2 means pure air. The condition of necessary for photosynthesis. While the green plants does photosynthesis, there are the some conditions due to the photosynthesis does occurs. The first one, when we are going to talk of presence of chlorophyll. Next one, presence of light. Next one, availability of carbon dioxide. And last one, availability of water. These are the four necessary conditions that make causes photosynthesis is possible in green plants. Now we are going to talk about the heterotrophs plants. Those plants that are depend directly or indirectly on green plants for their food nutrition are called heterotrophs plants. Example for mushroom, dodder, mistletoe plants, etc. Now we are going to talk about parasitic plants. Those plants that live in or on other green plants and get their food from them are called parasitic plants. Example for dodders, mistletoe, etc. Host plant. Here, next topic we're going to talk about host plant. Host plant means those plants from which a parasite gets its food is called host plant. Next one, partial parasite plant. Partial parasitic plants chlorophyllous that are depend on their host plants for water and nutrients only. Example for mistletoe, rattles, plants, etc. Dear student, we are going to talk now insectivores plant. Insectivores plant, those plants that consume insect and other animals are called insectivores plant. Example for pitcher plants, Venus fly trap, etc. The next topic we are going to talk about the saprotrophic plants. Those non-green plants depend on the dead and decaying organism for foods. Other needs are called saprotrophic plants. Example for mushrooms. Dear student, the chapter 1 is in this way complete. I hope that you will get further more knowledge from this video. Please, you guys student, read this, watch this video and get more knowledge, and like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.